Everybody, my name is Elise, and it has been a hot minute since I was on here in the YouTube world making a cleaning video or any kind of video for that matter. But I hope that you will help to welcome me back. And if you are a subscriber already, thank you for coming back and watching my video. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. It's totally free to subscribe, and you will find lots of motivation on my channel for cleaning, do-it-yourself projects, mom life, keto way of eating, all kinds of different lifestyle things. So if that sounds up your alley, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that little bell notification as well, and it will let you know when I upload new videos. Today's video is going to be all about laundry motivation, and I am starting this off by sorting some clothes in our room. We have these two laundry baskets that we keep in our closet. One is for colors, that's this one here, and the other one we put towels, whites, and jeans in. So I'm gonna go and get this load of colors for us started. And this is our laundry room. So you come in, we have our big laundry sign, our shoe drying rack hanging up back there. I keep laundry baskets on top of the dryer. And it just collects a lot of stuff up here, including lots of dust. So we're gonna wipe this down today in between some loads of laundry, just while we have some downtime for things to wash. This is kind of like our catch-all basket if we have dirty things that need to go in the wash, but it's not open yet. We'll toss things in this basket here. We have our little plastic bag holder and just a cute little F for our decor in there. So anyway, I'm going to get this load of laundry going, and I will pop in periodically on this video to show you what I'm doing. When I'm sorting laundry, if I have enough open baskets, I like to put everything in its own basket just so that it's up off the floor and ready to go for the next loads. So I'm just going to push these over here and leave them to be washed after. And I'm going to start by separating this giant load of laundry. It was actually a few loads put together, but I haven't put it away, and I really try to put all my laundry away as I wash it. And this basket has been sitting in our room all weekend, so I'm going to tackle putting everything away. And there's a bunch of the kids' clothes sitting right on top, so just moving those out of the way first, and then I can get to our clothes and get them hung up. Okay, now I got all of our stuff put away, so I'm going to blow out our candle here and head upstairs with the kids' clothes. I'm definitely not going to be leaving a lit candle downstairs while my toddler is running around the house, because he is a little curious guy. And if you're a mama, you know that candles are not usually best left on small countertops like this where little ones can reach it, because he is such a little curious man, and he was headed right towards the candle right after I walked away, so I'm happy I blew it out. But anyway, I'm going to carry this basket upstairs to Hank's room and get everything folded and sorted to each kid's room. Now, I dumped this out, but I realized after pulling some of the stuff off the top of the basket that the majority of this was Colton's, so You'll see me in just a second. I'm actually going to go through these shirts and realize that there aren't any more of Hank's. So I'm just going to take this entire basket over to Colton's room after I put Hank's things away. And what is with boys and their dirty underwear on the floor? Oh my gosh. At first, when I came into Colton's room, I was just going to make his bed for him, but then I realized that the sheets needed some attention and that it had been a week or two since they had been washed last anyway. So then I just started stripping the bed in just a minute here. Since I'm doing his, I'm going to also wash Haley's sheets. Not her comforter just yet, but I'll be doing her sheets today. I am going to put Colton's folded stuff away for him, but I'm going to leave his t-shirts out for him to hang up. So there's really not much here. He should be able to hang these up no problem. And Hank and I are going to go into Haley's room and start stripping her bed. Unfortunately, she already had made her bed this morning like a good girl. Colton did not, obviously, as you could see when I walked into his room, but part of their thing for summer is that every morning they need to do a quick cleanup of their room, make their beds, get ready for the day, brush their teeth, and make sure they eat some breakfast, and then they can play with friends or play video games or pretty much whatever they want throughout the day, and then they have to help with chores when I ask them to. Okay, so I'm going to get these into that catch-all basket and then start switching over the laundry. It's actually already done, which is awesome, and ready to go in the dryer. So I'm going to pull out these towels that I washed really early this morning to start my day and get the lint cleaned out because it gets crazy with the towels, but I do try to clean it out every single load. So if you're not doing that and you're noticing that your clothes aren't drying right, make sure you check your lint filter, because if it's full, your clothes are never going to dry. It's just going to be a steamy, hot, bacteria-filled mess in your dryer, so we don't want that. For towels, sheets, and sports gear, I use this Lysol laundry sanitizer. It leaves our linens smelling amazing. After I get that going, I'm going to start cleaning off the washer and dryer and then get ready to wipe them down. So I'm just going to grab a microfiber cloth from up here in one of my bins and then some Method Anti-Bac spray. I'm just going to give these a good spray and wipe off the top surfaces and move things around so that I could wipe everything down really well. Okay, and now onto some folding motivation. I'm going to get all of these towels and random little things folded and put away. But folding laundry is probably my favorite part of the laundry process, and putting it away is my least favorite. So leave me a comment down below on what your least favorite and what your favorite part of doing laundry are. I'd love to know. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you found it motivational and it got you moving to do some laundry today. Also wanted to mention that I color code my towels. So our kids have the gray towels which go upstairs, and those are for them, and then guests, and then we have tan towels for downstairs. And I really like this because I feel like it helps me keep track of what's what and who's whose, and I don't end up with 10 towels upstairs and none downstairs and vice versa. I don't have a huge laundry room, so I definitely don't have like a folding station, and that's why I like to use my bed. Hank's actually taking a bath and swimming around in my bathtub while I'm folding these clothes, so it's just convenient to come in here and just kind of be able to spread out and sort everything and fold it all out so that it can be put away a little bit more easily. And then I also can't forget about it if it's behind the laundry room door, and if it's on my bed, I have to make sure I get it put away or at least back into a basket. I'm going to wrap it up here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. That lets me know that you like to see these videos and you want more of them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.